Hello everyone. Today we're going to go through a tutorial of 3 Qigong movements. First move is called gathering the Qi ball. And second move is called gathering the Qi and pressing it down. And the third move is called lifting and expanding the Qi. So let's get started. So first move, gathering the Qi ball. Before you start with any Qigong movements, you're going to start with the standing position. Your body has to be straight, tuck your chin slightly, hands on the sides, and feet grab the ground. And you're going to breathe into your center, your abdominal area. And you're going to breathe slowly and deeply for about a minute so that your mind can be pulled into focusing on your center. Okay, after about a minute, you're going to start by putting your feet shoulder width, and you're going to lower your body slightly to get into this posture, this ready position. Okay, let's start. Okay, gathering the Qi ball. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to breathe in as you expand your hands. And then you're going to breathe out as you press the hands towards the center. Breathe in to expand your hands, and breathe out to compress your hands. And you're going to do this for about 10-15 minutes. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Relax your hands, relax your arms. Keep your feet firmly gripping the ground. And keep your knees slightly bent as if you're sitting on an imaginary chair. So body is not completely straight. Body is bending down slightly. Also, as you breathe in, you're going to imagine that your hands is holding a balloon or a ball. So each time you breathe in, the ball or the balloon is going to fill up. You breathe in to the maximum of your breathing capacity, and as you fill up the ball, then you're going to naturally breathe out, and the ball is going to shrink. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. After you do it for about 10-15 minutes, you're going to gather the Qi into your abdominal area by one hand covering the other hand and press it towards the center, your abdominal area. Okay, again, so you inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. After you finish, you go back to this initial posture, the starting position, and then just breathe in to pull the hands, close the hands to your center. Okay, and then stay here for 10-20 seconds. And then close your feet. Finish. Second move, gathering the qi and pressing it down. Again, start with standing position, body completely straight, and breathe in to your abdominal area and breathe out through your nose. Breathe in through your nose. Breathe out through your nose for about a minute. Then get into this posture, palms facing your body. Start inhaling, lifting your hands up, palms facing the sky, and you're going to lift above your forehead. Then you're going to breathe out and bring the hands down naturally. To your lower abdominal area. Then continue inhaling to lift your hands above your forehead. Then exhale to drop your hands. As you inhale, focus on gathering the qi or the energy around your body, from outside of your body. And once you gathered all the energy around your body, you're going to allow it to fall down naturally to the center of your abdominal area. Again, inhale together. Exhale to allow this energy to fall down through your upper body to the center of your abdominal area. While you're doing this, remember to bend your knees, to bend your hips slightly. Don't bend too much. If you bend too much, your knees are going to go over your toes. Okay, that's not a good posture, right? You don't want your knees to go over your toes. And also, as you're tucking, bending your hip area, you don't want to push it backward. You want your hip to go down straight in a neutral position. And your toes should grip the ground. Okay, let's continue. Inhale together and exhale to allow the energy to go down to the center of your body. Inhale and exhale. So you should do this for 10-15 minutes. Just focus on your breath. Focus on this visualization of gathering the qi and allow the qi to fall down to your center. So you're breathing this inhale and exhale should be coordinated with the visualization of gathering the qi and allow it to fall down to the center. Once you finish, go back to the initial posture. Breathe in. Bring your hands together close. And then back to standing position. Third move, lifting and expanding the qi. So again, from standing position for about a minute into the ready posture. From here, breathe in to cross your hands and lift up as high as you can, and then expand your arms out as you breathe out. Again, inhale, cross your hands and lift high above your head. Exhale to expand the arms and down. Inhale to lift and exhale to expand your arms and down. As you inhale, you're going to focus on the breath, the energy filling up the whole body. From the bottom of your feet to the top of your palms. And you try to stretch your arms as high as you can. And you should also use your eyes to look at your palms. Then exhale to expand your arms to the side and allow your arms to naturally fall down. Continue, inhale, cross your hands so your wrists should be touching as you cross your hands. And lift all the way up. Eyes look up. Palms push up. Then exhale. Expand and drop the arms. So as you expand, your whole body needs to expand, including your legs, upper body, and arms. And as you drop down, you need to gently bend your knees, bend your hip so that your body, upper body goes down, lower slightly. Right, so fall back to the center of your body, your abdominal area. Inhale, expand the whole body. And exhale, drop the energy to your center. Inhale to expand from your center to the top and bottom of your body. Then exhale, bring the energy back. to your center. Again, do this for 10-15 minutes. Once you finish, go back to the initial posture and breathe in, cover your hands, then back to the standing posture.